As we prepare the outdoor celebrations, we're adding something that will delight you. A surprise.
I like surprises. Einfach fantastisch. Today is for you. The generation born since the end of the war. A pure generation, free from the decrepit ideologies of the past. You are the future. You are the Reich. But you must be vigilant. The enemies of the Reich are everywhere. Those who would anchor you to the past must be eliminated to make room for the new. Today, we tear down the old. Here is your Führer's gift to you. A new beginning. Jahr Null. Reichsmarshall, give the order. Come in, Major. Clear the target. At long last, a light goes out.
With the destruction of this former icon, the American Reich enters a bold new era. In downtown New York, Nazi youths are pouring into the streets to celebrate the
Sick
destruction
bastards.
of liberty. In
Quiet.
solidarity with
It's
their
time.
Führer, they celebrate the beginning of Jahr Null.